Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today, we actually just hit 150 subs. I was going on YouTube, checking my channel like I usually do, and we hit it. I am shocked. It has been 2 months since our last milestone video, but hey, we made pretty good progress. I had my ups and downs. I did a lot of my own content, not just based off of myth stuff and such. But yeah, I want to switch it up. I really do, because everything is mostly Roblox right now. I don't know, really. I have a lot of Lego stuff that's gonna be coming in. I'll show you a little sneak peek. This set's almost completed. If you watched my empty box, you would know that that's the Turbo Shredder from the pilot series. I don't really, I didn't really plan out a video right now. There is a lot of stuff that's newer from last time. I got a little new display down here. This is the Mandalorian speeder box behind the Darth Maul. I called it the Mando in the empty box collection, but yeah, it's just called Mandalorian. I guess that's short for it. But there's Darth Maul with his 2 lightsabers in the back. And I built this really cool stand. Up here is just all of my giant Lego stuff. I did switch up the shelves so it looks a lot more better. And then we got the really old Lego set over there. And then we got the 2 buildable minifigs. We also have the Death Star. This one's actually a light up one, but like I don't have batteries for it. Then up here we got my my 2 first sets. The first one to come out, and then the newest one to come out. And I have this cool little mock like display. I have a bunch of these droids. I want to get the big ones, you know, the black ones that have the blaster arms, not just holding a blaster, because those ones are cool, and those are also the droids. And I have a bunch of these guys already. I also have a sealed collection starting on the Lego stuff, so I'll just show you that real quick. I bought this set like a month ago, because I haven't bought any Lego Ninjago stuff, because the Turbo Shredder was the last one I ever bought. But this looked really cool, and it had a limited edition character, so I decided that I kind of wanted to invest in this. $60 overall, I think, is pretty cool, even though it's not like 1,000 pieces. But I'd say that's pretty fair, because the Bad Batch shuttle was like almost 1,000 pieces, and that was 100. And over here we got these 2 Star Wars Brickmaster books. We got the Battle for the Stolen Crystal, and then we also have the first one. I think there's only 2. I only have 2. These are both sealed. And so yeah, that's my sealed collection so far. I'm planning on getting the Indiana Jones set whenever I find it. I want the airplane one, because that one looks really good. And over here are all my like Lego minifigures. I kind of just threw them down here. A lot of them are cracked. It sucks. I might buy new ones. And all my boxes are under all those, but I don't really need to show it, because if you saw my empty box video, you would know. So we also have a couple of new like things I put up here. Put a little new stands. I also connected these 2 module sets together. That looks better now. If only I could focus. I have a little scene up here. We do have this side, happy-go-lucky, and the not-so-good side. This is also like one of my favorite sets. It's like really detailed. But they're very old, and I can't get the Fighter Fire one, which sucks, because, you know, it's gonna cost a lot more now. A bunch of stuff that I want to get rid of. We also have the not completed 2014 Pirates of the Caribbean like Captain's Cabin set. We also have another Pirates of the Caribbean like Brickheads, but this is like not from 2014, because I got that when it came out. I also have a Easter promo from 2019. It's kind of cool. One of my brother's minifigures, which is the J. A bunch of knockoffs all around here, and a bunch of Mixels as well. I used to only collect Mixels. The best thing, the Murder Drones N plushie. That plushie alone was $90. That is not the best. I got from a friend, so thank you, Advisory. If you haven't watched the short, you should watch it, because it explains it all, really. And then down here we have the Fortnite, because I moved it down because I don't really like Fortnite anymore. I might sell these. Kind of bored of Fortnite. nothing really good has happened whenever I played Fortnite, except for winning. And also, Eren Yeager's in the game, which is one of my favorite animes. And hey, speaking of Attack on Titan, I got a Attack on Titan shirt on right now, so that's cool. Now we got all my Minecraft Lego sets on display. This is really cool because I put like all the sets that would seem like they would be together. So we got the 2016's the Fortress, but this is not the Fortress. I think this is the Fortress. I forgot what that set's called already. But this is like the pirate, and they're both connected. And then we got the OG first Minecraft Lego set, not including the mini builds, so people don't get mad at me for being stupid. And then we have these three connected, and this is really cool. We got the second Minecraft set to ever come out, and then we got the 2016 Iron Golem, and then this is the 2016 Fortress. This is one of the biggest Minecraft sets I have. It takes up a quarter of my shelf. And then up here we got a cooler selection. We got the 2018 like mindset. I forgot what that's called. This is the Panda Nursery because I remember it by heart when I built it. And then this is like the end battle, which came with an exclusive code minifigure. And then up here is the 2015 dungeon. And then we have the, I think, 2016 Skull Arena. So yeah, that's all of those shows. Also down here is a small FNAF section. I don't really collect FNAF anymore. This was mostly 2015, 2016 stuff. So yeah. Also, I don't ever think I showed this before, but I also have a Ghostface collection going on. I have this entire wall right here, just mainly for the Ghostface masks. I already have these two from last year. I don't think I ever showed it on video, but I bought the two metallic faces. I didn't get the chrome one, but I also have this one from for my Halloween costume. I kind of just put it up there because why not? And yeah, this is like my entire bed. It is a little messy right now. But thank you once again, everybody who has subscribed and been watching the channel. I know a lot of people do because I see my videos do better now, more recently. Maybe mainly because I do like my own stuff and I make really funny thumbnails to what I would enjoy and probably click on if I were the viewer. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. There will be double upload today, but I don't think the video will be what you expect. So yeah. The next milestone I want to reach now is 200. We're always going to be going by 50 until I hit 500 subs. We'll be going, and then I'll do like 100 more subs for the next milestone. But for now, it's just going to be 50 until we get to 500 subs. So, yeah, let's try to get that new milestone goal under 2 months, because now I want to do like this thing where, hey, I looked at the last video when I did my last milestone, and now we're going to compare it to what the new milestone might, how long it'll take. So the last milestone, 150 took 2 months. Let's try to go for like under 2 months. So yeah, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thank you everybody who has been watching. I will see you on the next video that's coming out today. Goodbye.